Did you know that after the age of 50, your body naturally begins to lose muscle, up to 1% every year? That's right. But what if I told you there's a simple morning habit that could reverse that muscle loss? And you can start seeing results in just 14 days. Welcome back to Senior Health, where we bring you science-backed strategies for aging with strength, confidence, and vitality. Today's video is a game changer. We'll talk about one specific food, yes, just one food, that you should eat at 7 a.m. to kickstart your metabolism, trigger muscle protein synthesis, and reignite your body's strength. And no, it's not a supplement, and it's not a powder. It's a real, natural food you likely already have in your kitchen. Stick around to the end, because I'll also share a 14-day muscle recovery meal plan and 3 simple at-home exercises that amplify the results. Let's dive in. Part 1. The muscle loss crisis. As we age, our bodies naturally change. One of the biggest and most concerning changes is muscle loss, also known as sarcopenia. Sarcopenia is the age-related loss of muscle mass and strength. It affects balance, mobility, and independence. By age 70, you can lose up to 30% of muscle mass if no action is taken. Muscles aren't just for lifting things. They're critical for metabolism, blood sugar control, and preventing falls. The good news? Sarcopenia is not inevitable. It's reversible, especially when you combine the right nutrition with light movement. Part 2. The science. Why 7 a.m. matters. So why 7 a.m.? Why not 10 a.m. or noon? It turns out our bodies operate on a circadian rhythm, an internal clock that influences hormones, digestion, and yes, muscle building. Research shows that muscle protein synthesis, the process of rebuilding and growing muscle, is most efficient in the early morning when paired with protein and certain amino acids. Study highlight. A 2022 study from the Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors who consumed a high-protein breakfast by 7:30 a.m. experienced 20% greater muscle retention than those who ate the same meal later in the day. The earlier we feed our muscles, the stronger they respond. Part 3. Eat this, the secret food revealed. Drumroll please. The food that can dramatically transform your strength in 14 days is eggs. Not just egg whites. Whole eggs. Here's why. High-quality protein. One large egg contains 6-7 g of complete protein. Leucine-rich. Leucine is the key amino acid that triggers muscle repair. Choline supports brain and nervous system function, which matters for coordination and balance. Healthy fats. Whole eggs contain the fats needed for hormone production, including testosterone and estrogen, both of which play roles in muscle maintenance. Myth busted. But wait, aren't eggs bad for cholesterol? Nope. Multiple modern studies show that eggs do not increase heart disease risk in healthy individuals. In fact, for seniors, they can improve HDL, good cholesterol. Part 4. The 7 a.m. muscle building routine. Let's walk through the exact steps you can take every morning for the next 14 days. 7 a.m. routine. Hydrate first, 7 a.m. Start your morning with 8 to 12 oz of warm water or lemon water to jumpstart digestion. Eat your eggs, 7:10 a.m. Prepare 2 whole eggs, either boiled, poached, or scrambled in olive oil or butter. Pair with 1 slice of whole grain or sprouted toast, 1/2 avocado or a handful of spinach. Optional. Add a slice of smoked salmon or turkey bacon. Light movement. Walk for 5 to 10 minutes after your meal to aid digestion and increase nutrient absorption. Part 5. 14-day meal plan for muscle rebuilding. This isn't a diet, it's a reset. For 14 days, follow this simple pattern. Daily structure. 7 a.m. Protein-rich breakfast. Eggs plus complex carbs plus healthy fats. 12 p.m. Lean protein plus veggies plus olive oil. 6 p.m. Light protein plus fiber. Soups, smoothies, lentils. Snacks. Greek yogurt, nuts, boiled eggs, or protein shakes. Water. Minimum 6 to 8 cups daily. Sample 3-day plan. Day 1. Breakfast. 2 scrambled eggs. 1 slice rye toast. Sautéed spinach. 1/2 avocado. Lunch. Grilled chicken breast, quinoa, broccoli. Dinner. Lentil soup, side salad with olive oil. Snack. Greek yogurt with almonds. Day 2. Breakfast, boiled eggs with oats and cinnamon apple slices. Lunch, turkey wrap with hummus and mixed greens. Dinner, baked cod, roasted carrots, and brown rice. Snack, protein smoothie, banana plus almond milk plus whey. Day 3. Breakfast, egg and veggie omelet, side of fresh berries. Lunch, tuna salad on whole wheat bread. Dinner, sweet potato and black bean stew. Snack, hard-boiled egg and walnuts. Part 6. 3 simple exercises to boost results. No gym required. Just consistency. Exercise 1. Chair squats. Sit on a sturdy chair. Stand up without using your hands. Repeat 10 to 15 times. Builds glutes, thighs, and core. Exercise 2. Wall push UPS. Stand arm's length from a wall. Push against the wall like a push-up. Do 2 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 3. Calf raises. Hold onto a countertop. Raise heels off the floor. Pause, then lower. 2 sets of 15. 3 o'clock, do this 3x/week and gradually increase reps. Part 7. Track your results. What to expect. Days 1 to 3. Improved energy. Better digestion. Reduced morning stiffness. Days 4 to 7. Noticeable strength when standing/sitting. Reduced cravings and more stable blood sugar. Days 8 to 14. Enhanced balance. Muscle firmness, especially in legs and arms. Mental clarity and better sleep. Track your progress in a simple journal or on your phone. Include energy levels, strength improvements, and mood. Well, if you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and share this with a loved one who needs to hear it. Speech balloon, comment below. What's your favorite way to cook eggs? Or tell us about your 14-day journey. We love reading your stories. Brain, remember, age is just a number, and your strength is waiting to return. See you in the next video. Until then, stay strong, stay vibrant, and take care.